Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for January 30th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. While we certainly saw a bit more fear coming into this market today, we quickly went from a Trump rally to a Trump tremor. It was felt across the market today, the Dow finishing lower by 122 points, while the S&P 500 was down 13. The NASDAQ was down 47. And the Russell was down about 18. This all happened after that immigration ban that Trump, that executive order he signed, and the market didn't respond very well. I think this is more due to uncertainty, but the big question here is, was this sell-off for real? Is this something that we should pay a lot of attention to, and is it something that can turn into something much bigger than what it is so far? If you look at today's action, yes, we saw a sell-off, but we also saw a pretty decent bounce near the end of the day. And if we look at the weekly charts, as we had talked about late last week, as you know, we were looking for a trade above last week's high to trigger another up leg. Well, we didn't get it, but what we did get was an inside bar formation so far. Now, this is the first day of this weekly bar here. Obviously, we have 4 more trading sessions to go before this bar closes, but for now, there's absolutely no change here. We're just sitting and waiting to see if we can break above these highs. Now, if we break these lows, yes, that'll be a much different picture, but even then, we're just looking for a pullback back into this 20-period moving average. So for now, not a whole lot to be concerned about. Certainly, the fact that there is more uncertainty out there is a bit of a concern. The market hates uncertainty. So we've got to keep that in the back of our minds. But for now, from a technical perspective, nothing has really changed. Let's continue on here and have a look at bonds. TLT, the ETF of the 20-year Treasury, today pulling back slightly, down 36 cents. Again, not a very big move. Gold was up about $4.90 at the close. Was higher and then pulled back, so is once again sitting right near that 20-period moving average. The only significant point here is that we did trade above Friday's high after we saw this bullish engulfing pattern. So certainly, that gives us an indication that we should be moving higher from here. But again, we lost most of that gain from earlier in today's session. Now, crude today was down about 1% or so, and the dollar index, let me show you the dollar index today. It was much higher and then retraced, again, most of that before the end of the session. Now, as far as tomorrow's session goes, all eyes will be on it, but really not during the day. The important thing happens after market close tomorrow. Apple will release their earnings. A lot of focus will be on that. Remember, it carries a lot of weight on the indices, and Apple's earnings will certainly be in focus. Apple today was down about 32 cents here after opening much lower and then bouncing from there. So expect it to maybe bounce around a little tomorrow, but not to a whole lot. But then certainly all eyes will be on that earnings report after market close tomorrow. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.